girl. Girl 말해줘 네 마음 바르지고 baby 같이 올라가자 하늘 위로. All I wanna do is kick it with you. 너의 몸에 그린 것만 같은 미술. 오늘 일상처럼 네 마음을 see through. All I wanna do is kick it with you. Okay.
By like sections, so that it's easier to cheese. And then when you guys cheese it, like cheese it from the top and then down.
Wow, perfect.
Yeah. Bro, that is small.
So, I think this is not enough. Wait.
Bless you.
Guys, what if I've never had one?
No, like 20, 13. I think the smallest size is $8.
That's really good.
And it's like,
Wait, what?
Hello, my name is Vang. The person who I think is gonna cry the most this weekend is Vang. Yeah. Who do you think is gonna cry the most this weekend?
Bang.
Who do you think is gonna cry the most this weekend?
Bang.
Someone say different name. Who do you think is gonna cry the most this weekend?
We just like kept crying out. I don't know actually. Emotionally bang after stage, I don't know who.
That's not funny, but that's kind of funny. Wait, who do you think is gonna cry the most this weekend? No.
I don't even know. I feel like we're all gonna cry. We're all kind of emotional. I think you. Stop it. Stop it.
Who do you think is gonna cry the most this weekend?
Stop it.
Okay.
Huh?
What's the question?
Oh, who do you think is gonna cry the most this weekend?
Who's gonna cry the most this weekend?
Wow.
Say a different name.
Okay.
Make it unique.
I feel like we're all gonna cry, but I think Megan's gonna cry the most.
My eyes itchy. Who do you think is gonna cry the most this weekend?
Don't do that. Because the season's ending.
First you cough at my face,
Bang.
and then you're gonna
Dana. Or Lola.
Lola. Choo!
I heard my name.
Summer said Lola.
You three.
True.
Who
Who do you think is gonna cry the most this weekend?
Okay, you guys can like.
Who do you think is gonna cry the most this weekend?
I think everyone is gonna cry, but I think Lola or Bang is gonna cry the most.
That's funny. Everyone has to do this one. 30 seconds. Okay, go. Ready? Let's sing the Thai song. หากตอนใจนี้ยังท่องคา What? สับนานฝันที่คงดำพันก็ยังคงคา น้องสายนาทีแห่งชีวิตที่ฉันได้ทันฟองตังตังตังตังตังตังตังตังตังตังตังตัง Yeah! That was 1 minute!
I freaking knew it! You're so evil! You do this right now.
The split! Cracking. Good job, y'all singers! Trong này, có một lời ý là 11:41. We got to River Center. Hello everyone. Hello. Hello. There's Summer. There's Dana. Hello. Hello. We're gonna unload G's truck in a bit, or G's Butang's truck, but we're waiting for them to come. It's a little sketchy because there's a lot of cars, but let's see how this goes. Ooh. Okay, so this is the door that you come through. And then we're in this middle area. You'll see our backdrops. This is Middle Hmong here. This is the stage. Let me go see center. So this is the center area. Okay, cute. So this is the stage. The style is kind of center, but not really. But yeah. Oh my gosh, we finally got parking. Our parking's over there. But we see LL Bean in the crayon store. Oh, flipper nuggets. Such a pain in the ass finding parking. Oh. What the flippers? Oh, that was such a struggle. Oh, but we're here. We're walking to Shake and Shack. Shake Shack. China, chúng mình ở chỗ nào ấy? Chỉ muốn chơi trò chơi, là trò ăn là món nữa. Wow. Ooh, Shake and Shack. What'd you get?
Chicken nuggets and fries.
Period. Luna isn't eating yet. Dana, what'd you get? What? Okay. What'd you get?
I got onion rings and chicken tenders.
Yeah, yummy. And I got a burger and then chili cheddar fries and then a sundae and a drink. We are waiting in line now to go on the roller coaster ride. How are you feeling?
Excited. I love roller coasters.
Period. How are you feeling?
Excited.
Period. How are you feeling?
Excited and nervous.
Okay, Luna, how are you feeling?
Excited.
Period. Jalea? Bree? Brianna? How are you feeling?
I'm scared.
Scared? Period. I love this ride. I feel like this is like one of the rides that I usually just go on here.
That's ratchet.
We are at Teacup.
I thought you were turning towards the back.
No, girl. Here we go to Teacup. Yes, of course.
There you go.
Yeah, he's like the grand, he's singing it.
Hello. Sorry, crap. Okay, Nyashong na. Can we go around and introduce ourselves in Hmong, please, Nyashong?
Hi, nhớ xong cùng đến đây vừa là lần ba cứ vào.
Period.
Hi, I can speak more.
Được rồi đã. Cái sao đã sao? Tôi chỉ nhớ từ tay trái bên thôi rồi bước sạch của nó nè.
No. Nhớ xong cùng đến đây khu tiệt chí or lò mà chí sing thọ.
Wait. Nhớ xong cùng đây hoa tôi chỉ xong.
Oh,
Period.
One go kia.
Ooh.
Oh my god, I hate you guys. Nhớ trong cùng vì hữu
nhớ rằng cũng là của máy sinh sinh kho
nhớ rằng nè có lúc hụa chúng tôi hụa bánh trong chúng tôi hụa da quả nè có lúc phải tốn thôi. Okay. So good job today. Yeah, I feel very good about the song. I think like looking at the run-throughs, I think like we all have our own little individual things that we all have to fix, but I do to improve. Just cause again tomorrow is our last day competing Hmong this year, so let's give it our all. Cause shit, some of y'all mother truckers out here be saying that y'all ain't doing this like. Oh.
Maybe if you cry, do also 5 minutes.
Let's give him a hug.
Oh my god. Oh. Oh, I heard the game was funny.
You're the first one to cry.
Let's give him a hug.
Do I have to get some chua?
Yeah.
So after we get, after we pay, and then we're gonna go back to the hotel, eat good food. Mukbang. Give us a bite. Oh. Okay, in the mukbang.
Wait, you guys went to like 2 different places?
Yeah, Raising Cane's and Korean barbecue. Okay. Okay. Hi. We're about to go to sleep. This up. So Lola's here. Juliet, she's sleeping somewhere, and Dana's sleeping over here, and I was going to bed. And then Luna and Shane are gonna sleep on this bed. These. What's up? She's in the bathroom. What's up? What's up? Nó. Cho nó. Có ống rồi stop. Không chừng có là chờ sao tông. Tôi chừng đông tôi luôn thôi chị ta. Ui. Nó dùng như cái xe tà nữa. Yes. Oh, look at her. Okay. Nhớ rồng nè. Nhớ rồng nè.
This is our last time getting ready together for our home song.
I know. Oh my gosh. Oh. Bây giờ mua bị chả bó. Mua thịa lông gao luôn đâu. Hello. 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 We're walking to River Center right now. We're on the 2nd floor. It's very cold. I'm hungry up. So here's the walkway. Oh, not the end of it. Oh. Somebody clap. How you feeling? Period. Period. Hello. How you feeling?
Good and confident about our
Confident. Good. That's good. Oh my god. I get stuck. Period. And there's Lola with her sister. Oh, she's just a nice sister. Period. Oh. And there's Coach Bree doing coach stuff. Hello. Hey, Summer. How you feeling? A little nervous. Okay. Good. You got this. Okay. You got this. Okay. Hello, Dua. Oh. How you feeling?
I don't feel good.
Yeah, period. Did you see your cousin?
Yes.
Lovely. Jalea, Dua, Summer, Dana. How are y'all feeling?
Can't see anything.
How y'all feeling? What? Did you win? Hungry for what? Hungry for what? Thirsty? How y'all feeling? It's okay, we're almost there, halfway through. I am hungry, thirsty, but I'm gonna survive. Which last name is the most toxic?
Bang! I swear.
Why?
There's all players. Like, no, or please.
Which last name is the most toxic?
I'm not really sure. I'm not a man. I like my white man.
Da, da, da. Which last name is most toxic? Why?
They just are.
Okay. Which last name is most toxic?
Games and laws.
You talking about the
Which last name is most toxic?
I don't know.
Not
Not in
sure.
among many. Interview. Which last name is the most toxic?
I feel like, I don't know. I just feel like in towns.
Yes. Okay.
Excuse me, miss. Which last name is most toxic?
I don't know. I don't know. I actually don't.
Gang! She said gang! Bang! She's a bang!
I don't know.
Cho tớ ơi! Cho
Ciao.
Ciao, okay. Okay, what's up? What's up? Hi, Asmik! Hey! Yes, better be high! What's up? We is going back now to the. Here is the two chains walking with their boys. So we're going into the cold, into the unknown. Period.
We are getting gas right now, and yeah, there is people fighting out there, and Vang's out there getting gas. I think Vang is watching. Vang, be safe. What if I just like lock the car?
For real. And then get in the gym. Just getting gas.
Oh my god. Vang, hurry up. Hurry! I know he's rushing. Vang. He's rushing.
No, I felt so scared. I was like, oh my god, what's happening?
What was your reaction?
I was like, I don't know what they're talking about. Let me just post this EP video quick.
Post it while you're out there.
Yeah. What's up? It is 6:32. We are getting Chick-fil-A. What did you get?
I got a Cobb salad and a small mac and cheese.
She said salad. She said she healthy.
The salad is a lot of
Really? What sauce do you go with it?
ranch.
Okay, period. Did you get a drink? No, that's it. I got a drink. I'm almost out of storage. Wait, wow. What's up? What's up, Luna?
What's up?
Okay, so this is a review about today. How did you feel?
Like just about the day.
Yeah, everything.
It was good.
Yeah.
I thought I was gonna be like a lot more stressed, but I wasn't. It was very chill, even though it was a long day.
That's okay. That's good. How did you feel leading up to performance? Do you think, were you like, oh my god, I'm so tired already? Or like,
Yeah, I was really tired. But I think like once I stepped on stage, like
Yeah.
I was like, okay, I'm about to dance.
Period.
Yeah.
Period. We're going to practice.
It's a whirlpool.
Fine, let's go.
What's up?
I don't know. Spread out, Marbury. Spread out. Let's do that.
I don't know how to say it.
Okay, I was so confused.
No, don't say it. Don't say it. I don't know how to speak Hmong.
You speak better Hmong than me.
I always say my numbers, and that's still ratchet ghetto.
At least you can like speak to old people.
No, they're like, do you know how to speak Hmong? I'm like, and then they laugh at me. I'm like, okay.
When we were practicing together, so I just really appreciate you guys, and I do believe that we were meant to be team together.
For sure. Do y'all think back to Labor Day? Because I do a lot.
That is very true.
I never want to go back to that.
Y'all remember those ratchet ass ponytails? But yeah, I'm so.
I remember we thought we ate on Labor Day.
But yeah, we've come so far. I'm so proud of us.
This is our last. Oh wait, this is not our last sleepover.
Ethereal,
No.
Phoenix,
Oh my
God.
Are y'all able to like glitch?
I know they did. Oh yeah, yes we're
Can you glitch out?
Yeah, good job. We're doing glitch.
Get in a circle.
Okay, ready? Ethereal! Ethereal! Ethereal!
You're the one with the squeaky voice.
That's my chain.
I was like, who's that squeaky voice that say Phoenix? I'm like, what the?
Okay. Yeah, this is what happens when you get locked out of your room. Là chị uống nhiều chút tao luôn, cho nó là là chỉ muốn niềm muốn gì, chỉ muốn pha muốn chị ngỡ lỡ rồi lên nó luôn. We are going to Wendy's for dessert right now. Hi, it is the last day of comp. It is 8 a.m. right now. Luna is parting her hair. Hi, Luna. And then Juliet and Lola are over here. What's up, y'all? Good morning. But yeah, so we have 2 hours and a half-ish until we're gonna go. So, period. We here.
When you all have RPM. Oh my gosh, it's ripped. Yeah. It's 4:35. We are waiting to go on to competition. They kicked us out of the back room just because they're doing pageants, so they don't allow us in the back room right now. Wow. What's your your last name? Oh, she turned around. Okay. And there's Aaliyah. Hello, hello. Noah, Nina, G, Bree, Shane, and Lola. What's up, y'all? What's up? What's up? Say hi. Oh, okay. Thank you. She's coughing, but.
Okay, ready? Ethereal! 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 Ethereal!
9:02. We're still doing awards.
All right, good man. Is that all of y'all? All right, can I have that back there? 6 cases for that.
Hello, it is 10:18. Heading home now. So tired. I'm not ready for the drive, but we'll see how it goes. So exhausted, but it was chill. They'll send us the results in like 14-ish days, but we'll see. Oh, so tired. Wait, girl, oh my. Okay, y'all.